Today unboxing is on the latest and recent Tarmac Works release. Big thanks to Tarmac Works for sending this to me for review. The latest Toyota Altezza, together with the recent AE92 and the Audi R8 LMS, is now available at the Tarmac Works Webstore. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section. The quality and workmanship is superb, as you can see from my video up close. For the collectors who love realistic model car, shrink down in the scale of 1:64. And now let's take a closer look at the Toyota Altezza for the Macau Gua race in 2001. Standard HOBBY64 presentation, enclosed in the display case together with a sleeve, license information and details on the casting. A HOBBY64 collector card is also included. Killer details on the Toyota Altezza. Tons of effort have been invested on this 1:64 casting, and minor details such as the embossed Toyota badge really bring out the overall aesthetic of this casting. The interior is also meticulously crafted. Antenna is also included to enhance the realism. Realistic wheel sets together with the livery that is accurately aligned. Plastic base and the wheel sets are not able to roll because these are model car meant for display and for your collection. The details are all-rounder for the Max Orido Toyota Altezza 2001 Macau Gua race. Next, the Audi R8 LMS 2019 for the Macau GT Cup. Love the body color. Behind Tarmac for Good logo. Standard license and information for the casting. A HOBBY64 collector card is also included. This Audi R8 is a special edition, limited to 1,248 pieces. I really like the metallic finishing for the body color, which really enhanced the overall casting and it looks very premium. All the liveries are faithfully replicated in a scale of 1:64 with very accurate alignment. Plastic insert headlights, realistic grille and wheel sets, including impressive details on the rear. Looks even better out of the base. I really like the effort that's been invested onto the front. It looks really dynamic. Production of this casting must be very tricky due to its finishing, and Tarmac Works really did a clean job. Plastic base with the wheel sets not able to roll because this is a model car meant for display. This casting is a very nice addition to your Audi R8 collection. And lastly, the Toyota Corolla LEVINE AE92 for the Macau Gua race in 1989. Standard HOBBY64 presentation with clean white sleeve that reflect the livery of the casting. Collector card is also included. Just like the R8, it's also limited to 1,248 pieces. Hyper realistic and killer details for this casting. Overall, it's clean cut with a realistic interior. Nice execution on the rear, especially the spoiler and also the rear light. The details are just insane for a 1/64 scale model car. Looks even better out of the base. Wheel sets are able to roll, but of course, being a model car is not meant for the track. The limited edition LEVINE A92 is definitely the casting for Toyota Corolla fan. Overall, these are very awesome casting at the top tier of the 1:64 category. All these are now available at the Tarmac Works Webstore together with many fantastic releases. Link down below in my comment section and be sure to add it into your cart. Stay tuned for more Tarmac Works unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.